Now we'll move on to something fun.
Yes.
Not in that aspect. We are gonna get into our game time.
Yes.
So game time.
Animation.
That's animation. Keep animation.
Game time.
Game time. Anushka, please
Yes.
explain our game to our lovely guests.
Yes. Okay. So the game is called.
She's not prepared to explain this, by the way. She thought I'm gonna explain
I
it.
don't need to be prepared.
Yeah.
As
Yeah.
you said, Indians, we are. you know.
Yeah,
Very
we're
good.
right
Let's
there.
go.
Yeah,
Explain the game.
So basically, this game is called Don't Get Me Started, and I'm gonna give you a topic, and you have 30 seconds or
No.
a minute.
You have 30 seconds to think.
Yeah.
And then for 90 seconds, you have to non-stop passionately ramble on it.
Yes.
It can be for, against, it doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is, she'll give you a topic. You have
Yes.
30 seconds to think.
Yeah.
90 seconds, you have to passionately argue for, against, about whatever
Are
you
you gonna
want.
time it?
Yes.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
going to
we're
time.
gonna
it.
time it. Okay, come on.
Okay.
Then you are going to give me a topic.
Hmm.
I'm going to get 30 seconds. Then 90 seconds I will go. And then I will give her a topic. Same rules. And then we'll mutually decide who was
Who
what.
did the best?
By the way, I demolished Kubra in this.
Okay.
If you haven't seen, check that out.
It's right there.
It's right there. Let's just click on it. It's somewhere. I don't know. Click it. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Are we
what is
ready?
this topic?
So your topic is aeroplane food.
Okay.
Go.
You have 30 seconds to
To think about it. Go.
Okay.
Hold
3, 2, 1, go.
So I think aeroplane food is actually quite nice. Sometimes, especially if you're traveling first class, I look forward to it. If it's business or first class, it's a lot of fun. I think it's a journey on its own. For me, I always like to travel business or first class because I feel like, man, I've freaking earned it. So I'm going to travel business or first class. so for me, it's an experience. So I go in there knowing that, I'm going to have this drink. Now, if I'm flying Emirates, then we're going to have this drink. If I'm flying some other airline, what drink I'm going to have? What am I going to eat? What are the things that are nice there? Sometimes I check the menu before going in. I'm like, oh, this is what I'm looking forward to. I make sure that I'm allergic to seafood now. So I'll tell them, okay, allergic to seafood, can't have seafood. So my choices are all down there. I'm like, okay, okay, I want, like, what nuts do I have? How much nuts do I have with my drink? Now, I have these many amount of nuts, or do I have like that much and then save myself for the dessert? Like, what desserts are there? And I'm like, first I'll go through the desserts. I'll be like, okay, meze platter. Generally, when you're traveling from Dubai to India, there's a meze platter. And
Emirates.
if there's no mutabel, I'm disappointed. I'm like, how can there not be mutabel? Mutabel has to be a part of it, right? You need to have mutabel, bro. How can you not have mutabel on a flight back to India, right? There's hummus there. Hummus is nice. They give some olive oil on the side, which is also nice. Generally, it's some nice mango cake or something, which is okay. One of the disappointments, I think, for me, has been the those sweets after. You want to get some nice truffle sweets in there, something that excites you, because life is a box of chocolates, guys, and if you don't get the right chocolates, it's disappointing.
Sorry, sir. Sorry,
And besides that, wait, I'm not done.
I am done. Sir.
So life is a box of chocolates, kid.
Gaadi ki chabi kahan? Bye. I'm done. Sorry.
That was
Mutabbal? How many times can someone say mutabbal in
that
90
was.
seconds?
Ravi, this is the first time playing the game for
Yeah,
me,
yeah.
and if that's what I'm up against, that's gonna be hard.
Pause.
Okay.
That was
wow.
insane. Oh my god. Talk about
That's
being
really
prepared
good.
for the moment.
I know.
Oh my god. Did you practice this?
No, bro.
Did you watch the Kubra episode? Linked up here. Okay, so now we should make him go
Next.
last.
We
Now the
should-
bar is so
The
high.
bar is very high.
Yeah. Now if we
good.
beat him, it'll look like he was horrible. And if we lose, it'll look like we are horrible. It didn't go gradually.
Yeah, that was.
Okay.
Should we do like a scoring and then? Or no? At
No,
the end
we'll
we
just mutually
decide.
No,
decide
do it,
who's
do it.
felt
No,
more
do
convicted.
scoring at the end.
Scoring.
Yeah,
At the end.
scoring
like
at
in
the
the end, once everyone's is done, no, then we'll have a perspective on what
Yeah.
we're creating against.
Okay.
Okay, so now
I mean,
I
you
will give you a
have to
topic.
give me. You both can discuss if you want a topic.
Oh, we
for me.
both can discuss.
You can if you want, no problem.
Okay.
But if you have a topic in mind,
Yeah.
no problem. Anything
I can't
you can give.
Okay, I have something on top of my head.
Say
go for it.
You have a minute and a half to talk about Spanish latte.
Spanish latte. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
See, the word Spanish and latte together, they fascinate me purely because I'm not much of a coffee person. What I drink is either water, protein shake, or other people's blood. Not because I'm a vampire, just because I'm blood sucking. Now, Spanish latte, when I hear that at Starbucks, it confuses me because am I getting Spanish as in Es el Viento, or am I getting latte as in kicks from under the Starbucks table? Now when I see Spanish latte next to latte, I'm like, what is the coffee gonna come to me like hola? And I don't know what's happening, right? So Spanish latte confuses me purely for that aspect, as in what makes it Spanish? Is it gonna come with a sombrero on its head? Is it gonna come with enchilada or empanada next to it? I don't know what's happening. Why is it Spanish? Why is it Spanish? That no one answers me that. I go to Starbucks, I say, why is it Spanish latte? They want grande or venti. Why is it Spanish? Grande or venti. I don't understand. Why is it Spanish? Okay, so let's move on from why is it Spanish. Then next to what is Spanish latte?
Yeah.
As I just said, I don't know what is Spanish latte. I don't know what it is. Why is it Spanish latte? And I know people, there was this big hype where they would be, oh, I have latte. And then suddenly, babe, I have Spanish latte. I have Spanish latte. I'm like, तुम एस्पेनियोल तो गए नहीं हो कभी, तुम अपने दिल्ली से बाहर निकले नहीं हो, देहरादून से उत्तरी सड़क तो देखी नहीं, तुम्हें स्पेनिश लाटे पीने जिंदगी में, स्पेनिश लाटे, स्पेन की स्पेलिंग आती नहीं है तुम्हारे को, स्पेन में क्या भाषा बोलते आता नहीं है, स्पेन का फ्लैग तुम्हें आता नहीं, स्पेनिश लाटे पीने. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस हाइप. ओके, व्हाट इज लाटे, व्हाट इज स्पेनिश, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. आई नीड प्लेन अमेरिकानो और आई नीड चाय और आई नीड वाटर. व्हाट इज स्पेनिश लाटे? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. मेरे को नहीं समझ. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज एस्पेनियल.
Done. I love the intensity.
Thank you.
Like the
That was a
different-
proper kind of bashing of the word
yeah,
of the
that
two
was-
words of Spanish
Yeah.
latte.
But I feel like yours was more conviction. Mine felt like I'm trying for it.
Yeah, but it was, you were very,
Yeah, I mean,
It's okay, I'm locked for second place.
and you just automatically.
shots taken, Anushka. Shots.
We'll see now. Among the two, who's the more chatty one?
See, this
Actually,
this
that's a
game
tough
is not
question.
about chatting shit.
But you just chatted shit, bro.
I spoke on topic. Her storytelling ability is, you will find out.
What? Excuse me.
From there to there, and in between the most important part she skipped. I'm like, wait, how do we get to there?
Welcome to the world.
Okay, so now I have to give you a topic.
Oh my god.
Like,
I
have
did
to
not
think
come
of-
prepared to actually do the games. I thought only
I did not come prepared to talk about like food.
Okay,
true.
so topic that I'm gonna give you is okay. So the topic is sleeping with one foot out of the blanket.
Abhi, that is not a topic. Okay? That is not a topic.
Okay.
I'm gonna change my
Okay,
topic because I can.
Okay.
change
Let me
it.
think.
It needs to be
Boiling
like-
hot showers.
This is such a lame topic.
Spanish latte.
Such a good topic.
Because you like
Such
coffee.
a good topic. I could have spoken about it for 1.5 hours.
How can you not know what Spanish latte is?
I actually don't. I swear.
It's
I don't.
basically a latte with condensed milk. That's
Exactly.
So why the condensed milk Spanish से Spain से आ रहा है?
No,
No, they
that's the
discovered
style
there.
they make it in.
First of all, condensed milk was discovered in India
it. No.
because Indian moms put condensed milk in everything.
No,
It
they
was
don't.
discovered in India. bro.
Wait,
कुछ भी बकेया
in every dessert they just put condensed milk on top like as if it's like some channa amrit or
Where
something.
do they put condensed milk?
Bro,
ये अपने घर की बात कर रहा है.
in jalebis they just put in like everything they just put condensed milk. I'm having fruit, my mom just put condensed milk on top of fruit. I'm like, I'm trying to be healthy. She's like, it's condensed. I'm like, it's sweet. She's like, it's condensed. I'm like, sweet. She's like, milk. So we should talk, make a talk about matar pulao.
Please, Abhi.
Peas, abhi.
Peas.
Peas out of me.
Okay, just end.
Okay, we'll talk.
Cut.
We can talk about like something that she hates. Like we'll talk
Yeah.
about peas. Why she hates peas so much?
Peas in food. That's your topic. Now,
Fine.
for or against anything. You want 30 seconds?
No. You can
3,
start. I'm very passionate.
2, 1, go.
Okay, look. So basically, I just don't understand why people like peas. I think they are the most like arrogant. If vegetables could be arrogant, they're vegetables. Right? Yeah, they're not fruits. If vegetables could be arrogant, it would be peas. What the hell is peas in a pod? And why does only that vegetable get a statement? What does that even mean? First of all, now this is going to be a big pause moment, but something so naturally all the same size, round and small together, like how does that, like it's so naturally unnatural. And first of all, the taste, like why is it so bitter? I don't understand. If it's like it's supposed to taste nice, yes, okay, vegetables are healthy for you. So like I know some people say that, oh, like maybe things that are good for you don't necessarily always taste good. But peas, they taste the worst. They should just not exist. I don't understand. I already.
As I said. So as I said, I'm locked in for second place. As I said, that time it was shots fired.
I think
It's
I
called
got.
Bhavishya-vani.
I think I got a very, very lame topic to begin with.
I promise
got
you,
a
he and I
very-
could continue your peace thing and
Yeah.
you just go on.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, what
Yeah.
peas are you eating?
Yeah, why are they
What do you
bitter?
mean? They're so bitter. They're so
First of all,
karma.
they're-
Are you having like raw peas?
Like green peas.
Yeah, but raw green peas are you having?
No, like
Like cooked?
yeah, I don't remember the last time.
Like
I had
as in
them.
when you have matar paneer,
Yeah.
the matar in that is kadwa to you.
Yeah.
Like boiled peas is not like bitter. It's like
You know,
bland.
even
It's so bitter.
even
it's like aloo.
even raw peas
it's a
are not
green
bitter.
colour aloo.
Even raw peas are not bitter.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they're not bitter.
They're not, the skin is.
They're
You
so
don't-
bitter.
Like you don't have edamame.
No.
Edamame is not
Edamame is
bitter.
peas.
That's right.
It's not
like-
peas.
Like it's,
It's
like
ki-
peas,
it's
the
like-
same thing.
Kidney peas.
Okay, so this is part of my talking thing because you all joined in. That's not my
Yeah,
fault.
yeah. Okay.
So that's part of my.
Doesn't matter.
One
He
and a
came,
half
he, came,
minute-
he came first. He's first, second, and third. We'll share
Yeah.
price.
Why didn't you shake my hands?
Okay, so that was game time.
Yes.
Big round of applause for
Woo!
Robin's immaculate performance under the pressure.
Slayed it.
I
6
got the
minutes
gift
of the
of the
last
gab,
ball
bro.
and
That was really good.
upper
Yeah.
scoop, some reverse paddle, something
Thanks to
through the
Muttabel.
legs up here. Somewhere it went.
If I had more time, I would have gone and spoken about the
I had to
Machinaro
stop you
cherries that,
because
I love.
I could sense that you were going to go from Emirates to now another airline.
I was
business
going to
class
go
food.
to the Machinaro cherries that you get in these Emirates flights. They're so good, bro. I was going to go off on them, and then suddenly you're like, okay, 1.5 minute हो गया.
Please, नहीं नहीं. Next thing is, अरे कल का दिन आ गया.